Welcome to Manupedia Drilling. Remember, safety first. Keep the workplace clean all the time and make sure you wear necessary personal protection equipments all the time. The very first step is to set up the drill bit holder. The bush with the correct hole size is locked into the holder. The drill bit is then slid into the bush. The holder with the drill bit in it is then locked at the drilling machine. Turn the holder clockwise to slowly tighten it up. A special tool is then used to further tighten up the holder more with the brake lever pulled down at the same time. In this case, aluminium is used. To drill a hole accurately, a puncher is needed to punch a small hole on the drilling point. This hole is to guide the drill bit accurately to drill the hole. Clamp the workpiece securely to prevent any movement during drilling. After clamping the workpiece, the drilling hole is slowly adjusted to meet the drill bit. Activate the milling machine and make sure that the drill bit turns in the clockwise direction. The drill bit won't be able to drill in the anti-clockwise direction. Do not hold the drill bit down for a long period of time as you will reduce the lifespan of the drill bit, or even overheating the drill bit causing the aluminium to melt.
Tractor. Jom drilling, milling, welding.
Remember guys, practice makes perfect. Enjoy drilling!